Welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be giving my technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum after yesterday's FOMC meeting, and I'll also be giving an update on my current Ethereum short. So let's get right into it and let the gains be with you. So Bitcoin is trading for $28,865 and Ethereum is trading for $1,875. Now let's get right into the video, starting things off looking at Bitcoin. So yesterday the Federal Reserve did announce they will be hiking interest rates by another 25 basis points, and the market did have a lagging reaction to that data release. And yesterday at the time of the FOMC meeting, Bitcoin was trading at the Monday mid-range around $28,600. And then a few hours after the FOMC meeting, the Bitcoin price actually went ahead and it swept the Monday high here. Now in my video I made on Tuesday, I gave the short plan, and the short plan was to look to short Bitcoin above the Monday high at around $29,100 to $29,200. So if you did pay attention to that, that was the perfect Bitcoin short entry. However, if you missed it, don't fret, because this is what I am looking for right now on Bitcoin. So price gave the perfect short up here at $29,300. Now, if you're looking to get short, you must wait for a retest of this level. And here on the 1 hour, I do have my eyes on this one particular green bar. So what I would look for to short Bitcoin is I would look for a move back up into this area of supply. I would look for a rejection and I would trade it back down to the Monday low at $27,700. My bias is still short. I am expecting the market to drop from here. So for this Bitcoin short, I would put the stop just above this wick at around $29,400 or so, depending on what exchange you are on. And you want to ride that down to $27,700. This would be around a 4-to-1 risk reward trade, which is exactly what you want. You want the odds in your favor, and you want a very tight invalidation point in case the market does decide to push up anyway. You're protected with a very low risk stop loss. So that is Bitcoin, played out exactly as we did analyze it here on the channel this Tuesday before the FOMC meeting. Now let's go look at ETH. So Ethereum is the asset I actually did decide to take my trade on. I went ahead and I shorted Ethereum. So let me lay this out for you. At the time of FOMC, price was really lagging. It wasn't really doing too much. And then after FOMC, Ethereum went ahead and it swept the Monday high. Now I'll admit, I got a little bit impatient because I took my first short entry up here at the Monday high. As you see, I posted this at 2:30 p.m. saying to short Ethereum at the Monday high with a stop loss at $1,941. That is just above this supply zone wick up here, the stop loss. So long story short, Ethereum did initially reject off of the Monday high. We had a nice 1 hour red bar, but it quickly reversed and pumped right into the supply zone. And again, I laid my plan out clearly ahead of time in the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. Yesterday at 5:31, I said, look, do not freak out if Ethereum goes up to 1913 to 1920. That is the point to add to the shorts. And again, lo and behold, what did ETH do? It went right to the line at 1913, and it also tested the proximal line of the supply zone at 1918. All right, so it came right to that second entry before going ahead and rejecting. So I am currently in this short trade on ETH. First initial entry was around $1,882. Second one up here at 1913. And now the plan is quite simple. All right, for Ethereum, we are waiting for this confirmed breakdown to take place. And the first step towards that happening is going to be a clean break of this 1 hour support trend line. All right, when the market gives this to us, I expect it to fall. However, on the other hand, if price does push back up, I am going to look to compound the short, simply put. And I am looking right in this previous support level. As you see, Ethereum was holding support up here right at $1,900, and then it broke right just below the supply zone up here. So if we get a move on ETH to retest this previous support, flip it into resistance, this is where you want to go ahead and get short if you're not already, or maybe you want to add to them. Again, stop would be in that same place at around 1940, 1941. And you look to take this down to the Monday low at $1,800. And then possibly we get that 1760 sweep that I've been talking about for quite some time on the channel as well. So that is what we're looking at for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everything was laid out clearly ahead of time inside of the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. If you want to find out more info to join, go ahead and click the link down in the description below. Now, in that video that I made on Tuesday, I also covered analysis on Blur and INJ. And as we see on Blur, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, I laid it out very clearly. I said expect price to break the trend line and look for it to take out these lows over here at 57 cents. That's exactly what price did actually do. All right, so the breakdown target, first one would be 57 cents, and then the next one would be 54. And very simply put, I would look for a sweep of these wicks. So for now, I don't plan on trading Blur, but from what I see here, if Bitcoin and Ethereum do fulfill my analysis and drop lower, I would expect altcoins to follow. So maybe Blur comes back, tests the Monday low again, and rejects back down and heads to this demand zone. That's what I would be looking out for. And I also covered INJ. So let's just do a quick update on injective protocol. So for INJ here, if we drop this to the 1-hour time frame, again in that video, I was talking about this trend line, the support trend line on the chart, and how price is essentially clinging onto it and ready to break. Well, it does appear that we are getting that breakdown at the current moment in time on INJ. So if we do bounce back up into this area of liquidity at around $7.60, that would be a great entry for a short, in my opinion. Stop above the Monday mid over here at around $7.83.5. And I would look to take this down below $7 to around $6.75. So this was just a very quick market update based off of my previous video I made on Tuesday in regards to the FOMC trades. I gave you my updates on Bitcoin and ETH. Look out for those entries that I just talked about if the market does give it to us. And if you're wondering where to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins, I trade on Bitget. You can sign up using my link down in the description below, and you get discounted trading fees for life, as well as a ton of deposit bonuses when you use my link. In this video, I covered my technical analysis and trading plans for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few altcoins post FOMC. I hope that you did enjoy the analysis and trade ideas. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.